Hey everyone, Zin with you, and today we'll show you how to open Monzo account online for international students. Now, the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Monzo application on your phone. And once you open it here, you will see this interface. Simply click on I'm new to Monzo. Then after that, you'll have to join Monzo by adding the first thing is your email address. So add a valid email address because you will receive a confirmation code on it. So keep that in mind. So add your Google or Yahoo or Outlook, whatever you have, add it right here. Then click on join. Once you add it here, you can see this interface. Click on open email app. Then it will send you an email like so. Click on login in Monzo app. And after that, you will have to choose the country of residence. Here in my case, it's the United Kingdom. Once you choose it, just hit the confirm. And once you click on confirm, here it tells you that it needs a permission. So give it the permission, click on allow. And after that, you'll have to choose which account would you like to open. Is it personal account? Joint account. Joint account is a shared account that you can actually have two persons inside the same account, and the two persons can actually manage how the account goes, and both of them can actually withdraw money or deposit money on it. You can even open an under 16s account or business account. For me, I will choose the first option, which is the personal one. Then I'm gonna hit the next. And now you'll have to provide the name on photo ID, and it should be compatible or the same as your national ID or passport, the same as it is written in your ID, because in the upcoming steps we have to confirm your identity by using your national ID or the passport. It doesn't really matter, but one of them. So after you provide the first and last name and date of birth as displayed in your ID, you will have to provide the postal code and type exactly what is your address. So here I have added my address, as you can see. Then click on yes, this is correct, to confirm that this is the right answer, or the right address, I mean. And after that, you'll have to provide your phone number, and you need to apply a valid phone number because they will send you, of course, an OTP, and you will have to enter it just like so, as displayed here in front of you. And after that, the last thing that they will ask you to provide is the front photo and a backside photo and a front side photo of your national ID or your passport or driving license, any one of them, just in order to confirm your identity. And without it, you cannot actually open your Monzo account. And that's all for today's video. If you find it helpful, please support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.